When we're playing pickleball, I don't want to have to chase the ball all day long down the hill. We've got fencing around 3 sides of this. Now on the uphill side, some people like to put fencing. It's not really necessary, right? Ball goes over there, it's gonna roll right back. Generally, net fencing is what we do most of the time for residential and recreational applications. If you're at a facility, if you're looking to build something where you want to hold wind screening or a tennis court or something like that, we would probably upgrade to a chain link fence, which is a lot more expensive and it's going to look more commercial, but it's going to have a little longer durability. This fence will last you at least 10, 15 years. The chain link fence will last you much longer than that because it's made out of metal. But you're not going to get the softness that you get with this fence. You run into a chain link fence, you've got a middle support bar here, you're going to hit something hard, right? But this doesn't have the strength right here to hold something like wind screening. The wind screen out here, especially with high winds, could just take all of this and fly off.